working my...
I'm working her ass!
Don't you be touching her!
What are you doing, you stupid
Baby! Oh, shit!
I thought I'd give you macaroni and cheese to sleep with your wife.
That's it?
What?
Macaroni and cheese?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay.
Okay. Sorry, Charlie. I'll take care of business, Charlie.
Don't you be touching her! Get off of her!